It's not easy to stand out when selling custom design products online these days, but I've got the solution for you. Something that's truly unique and bound to make your customers stop the endless scroll. Meet Knitwise, the easiest way to bring your designs to life as high-quality, custom knitwear, made sustainably, on demand, and shipped directly to your customers worldwide. With Knit On Demand, you can create and sell custom knitted merch with zero hassle. No need for stocking up on inventory, investing in expensive tech, and dealing with shipping products. While we at Knitwise take care of the technical side of creating and shipping out products to your customers, you can focus on the best part of running your business, making a profit. Here's how it works. Step 1, go to knitwise.com and create your free account. Step 2, browse our catalog and choose from a variety of products like sweaters, cardigans, t-shirts, beanies, blankets, and more. Step 3, use our handy design maker or downloadable Photoshop templates to create your product designs. Step 4, connect Knitwise with your e-commerce store on one of our partner platforms like Shopify and start selling. When a customer makes an order from your store, we start the production process by carefully knitting your designs into products loop by loop. Each product is individually knit, washed, and undergoes a thorough quality check before being shipped out. Our expert team works with quality and precision in mind, making sure your knits come out true to your vision and ready to wow your customers every single time. With our efficient production, your custom knits can be ready for shipment in as few as 7 days. Elevate your merch game with the most unique on-demand production has to offer. With Knitwise, your designs will become premium knits that people don't just buy, they can't wait to wear.